So I'm down here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, this beautiful location. So it's only one reason that I would be down here, because I see this ARI sleeper on this beautiful KW. So it's only one person I know of that could actually inform me of why I'm here. And that would be Mr. John Miller.
Hi, Quinn.
How you doing, sir?
Good, Quinn. Thanks.
So John, tell me, why are we at this beautiful location today?
Well, we're at our Kenworth dealer here in Fort Wayne because we've always done our videos up at ARI and we showed everybody these beautiful trucks, but we thought it'd be nice to bring them to the dealership. What we want to show them here is avenues that they can buy from the dealer. Some people will build custom sleepers and order the trucks, but we also have dealer stock units. And we are at Palmer Trucks of Fort Wayne Kenworth dealer. Been with us for many, many years, and they are our premier custom bunk retail outlet for us. Okay. They do a great job. We're here to show you guys exactly how easy it really is, take the intimidation factor out of it, and just kind of walk you through what you might expect when you come visit Fort Wayne Truck Center.
So John, where are we located? What's the address here?
We're at 3535 West Coliseum Boulevard in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, so I understand that you're going to be, you got someone that you're going to have walk me through this. So who are you turning the reins over to?
Yeah, I'm going to turn you over to Toby Hayward. Toby has been with us for 18 years at ARI. He's been out in production. He was a production supervisor for us, and he got into the sales department a couple years ago. Very knowledgeable. He's done a good job for us. Toby's going to be in charge of this dealership on the ARI side, working with the Kenworth dealer here, making sure that we have programs in place to make sure our customers are well taken care of. Toby?
Outstanding. So, how you doing, buddy?
Good, Quinn. How are you?
Outstanding. You know, we started this series at the Louisville Truck Show, and it's going to be something that I think a lot of people are really going to appreciate you guys actually letting us see how the steps are done. So, we're down here at this beautiful location. What do we have to look forward to?
Well, you're going to see down here the whole inventory that Kenworth Fort Wayne down here carries for us.
Okay.
You're going to see why they're one of our #1 dealers down here. They have huge selection. They're going to show you a walkthrough with their sales manager, sales guys, of how easy it is to buy one of these units. We get a lot of questions on guys, you know, don't think they can do this. You know, they think it's a hard deal to do. And
okay.
We're going to show you today how easy it is to get into one of these trucks.
So who's actually going to be working with us today? Who?
It's going to be Max Albertson.
Hello.
Max has been down here for a while. Max. Great man. He can walk us through these units, a little bit of everything they have on the lot down here for us, Quinn.
How you doing, Max? Good to meet you, sir.
Good, Quinn. Well, I'd like to welcome everybody to Palmer Trucks of Fort Wayne. We'd like to start out and say thank you to all our very loyal customers over the years. We'd like to answer some questions for you of how easy it is to buy a custom sleeper, as well as walk you through all of our inventory.
Outstanding. Guys, are you ready? Because we're getting ready to walk through an inventory that is outstanding.
All right.
We're ready. Hopefully they are.
We're actually right here in the inventory lot, and it is unbelievable. You take a look around and see some of the stuff that's actually here, and it is unbelievable. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna look at why we're actually at this location, okay? Max, how you doing, sir?
I'm good, thanks.
You have an outstanding array of trucks in this lot. It is so impressive. But we're standing in front of two pretty much basic looking units, but from what I understand, they're not really basic units, are they?
Welcome to Fort Wayne Truck Center's inventory. We're going to start with our 76-inch standard sleeper.
Mm-hmm.
Now what we've done is we've created an opportunity to have a shower, a potty, and an APU unit on a 76-inch standard sleeper.
Oh, wow. So this is a conversion unit then?
It's a conversion unit. 565 Cummins, 13-speed automatic, fully loaded with all our options. We have put some of the interesting things we've done to this unit is we put the shower and potty inside. We've installed the AP unit behind the fairing, so we maintain all the fuel mileage. Mm-hmm. The one thing we'd like to do is invite everybody down here. You're going to have an opportunity to drive them, touch them, feel them, get into them, and we'll teach you exactly how you can take one home. Ken, we're going to start with our new truck inventory. We stock a wide array. At almost all times, we have a 120-inch sleeper, 132, 144, 156, and 168. We build these trucks on our fuel economy model, which is our 680. We also build the 168. We begin with the 168s on our 880. We've got them arranged from side doors, rear doors, canopy models. We have them with slide outs. Most of our engines are 500 to 525 in the 680, which we use our efficiency series engine on the 500 to gain the fuel mileage. They're automatic transmissions, 13 speeds, and we are also offering the Allison automatic now. Our 680.
So, Mac, let me ask you this. I see all these beautiful rigs. I mean, it's pretty much, you keep a selection of these readily available for the clients or potential clients to come in and purchase right on your lot, huh?
Agreed. What we like people to do is to come in, we're going to give you some keys, let you explore all the trucks. You can have an opportunity to test drive them, get to know each one. Especially if you're in the market to build one, you can come here. You're going to see anywhere from 6 to 20 different models of sleepers. So we try to answer all your questions and let you actually see and touch and feel the product.
Now, I see we had a unit that was at the Louisville Truck Show. That was an extremely popular unit, and the application is unbelievable. I mean,
that's our new slide out unit, which we're offering, which gives us a slide out to open up the floor plan, which you really, really need to see. You're going to see later on, you're going to see some photos of it.
Okay.
Also, we've got a huge array of used trucks. Most of our customers trade every 1, 2, or 3 year cycle, so it gives us an opportunity to have some really nice low mile used trucks in stock.
And it's I see it's a variety of different sleeper sizes and truck applications for this too, from W9s to the T880s, huh?
Absolutely. Now on order right now, currently we've got over 30 new ones on order. We're going to stock the 680s, we're going to stock the 880s, and we're also beginning to stock the W900s.
Oh wow.
We're going to have between 120 and 156-inch sleepers on that inventory.
Mike, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
There's a lot of gossip going around the industry about they're getting ready to drop the W900 series. Is that have any fact to it?
News to me. I've heard that rumor for a lot of years.
Okay.
As far as I know, there's no plans in the near future to drop that. We're going full speed ahead. I've gotten with Kurt at ARI. We've put 12 W9 chassis on order.
Okay.
So please come on in and put your name on one.
Let me ask you this. One of the big questions that we get on our YouTube and our Facebook and all our other social media is what kind of weight are we looking at when we put one of these big units on there?
Custom sleepers are going to range from 20,500 to 23,800, right in that range. And of course, if you go larger, we'll build up to over 200-inch sleepers for you.
Okay.
But generally speaking, we try to keep the weight down. Kenworth does offer a very lightweight truck, and the reason we're able to do that because we can use a single frame. It's a deeper frame.
Okay. One of the trickiest questions that you think the owner-operators come to you on a daily with?
They're afraid of a wheelbase. Almost everyone is afraid of a wheelbase when they come in, and then they call me 2 weeks laughing, yep, I got used to the wheelbase.
Okay.
So that's why we have a wide variety. We have car haulers, we have van haulers, we've got reefer haulers, we got flatbedders. Okay. So we try to keep, from, like I said, the 120 to the 132 to the 144, we try to fit everybody in there.
Outstanding.
But, I recommend the first step, if you have any questions, is to come in and actually drive the truck.
Gotcha.
Sit down in it, picture how you woke up yesterday morning in your truck, and then come sit in a custom sleeper, and I'll tell you how you're going to wake up today. You're going to wake up, you're going to have coffee there, you're going to have your bathroom there, you're going to have your full shower there, you're going to have your office in place, and all your personal items. You never have to leave the truck in the morning.
Wow.
And that in a nutshell is really the custom sleeper life. We cater to the top 1% of the entire owner-operator business. It's kind of a club that everybody wants to join. We've made it very, very simple. We have a lot of new people come in that have never had a custom sleeper before, and through our creative financing, we're able to get them into trucks.
Okay, well, on that note then, Max, I'll tell you what, let's go inside, and I want you to tell the fans and everyone just how easy it is to actually get into one of these, okay?
Fair enough.
Okay, Toby, I just finished talking with Max, and it looks like almost anybody can get one of these units. But the unit that's behind you now, this is the one we had down in Louisville, right?
Correct. Yes, it is.
Let's take another look around this one, Tobin, and just let everybody see that this is what it looks outside of the show. And after a few people have explored it and had an opportunity to actually hands-on with it.
This is out in its natural beauty, out in the light, sunlight today. See the shine? It's on that Kenworth T680. Got our ARI high roof cap. So you stand up, walk straight back into the sleeper. And this is our first unit that ARI produced with the slide-out feature. It's got this slide-out will slide out 16 inches. And then once we get around it a little bit, we get inside, you're going to really notice how much that opens up this floor plan on this unit. We were asked for it for years to do something like this. Other guys have done it, other competitors have done it a little bit. Guys, we had customers for years asking us, why don't we do it? So here we go, guys. This is it. We brought it out for you. It's been at the show. It's a great hit. This truck's still available. You can walk up inside and take a look.
So what's the wheelbase on this one?
I believe this is 335. I have to remember, Quinn, exactly, but like 335 or 340.
And this is an awesome rig. You guys remember it from the show, so if you didn't get a chance to see it in Louisville, this we're gonna do an inside look at it. It is unbelievable. So let's take a look up in there, Doug.
All right, let's go, Quinn.
Okay, everybody, you guys remember, like I said, from the truck show, we had this on display. And we have Max in here, and we're gonna actually sit down and actually look at how easy it is to actually own your own unit, just like this, custom built from the dealership, custom with a custom sleeper from ARI. So let's get started on how this actually works. Once again, we're on the inside of this beautiful, beautiful sleeper, and as you can see, like Max said, this is just an awesome unit. Max, thank you so very much for giving us this opportunity to tour your facility and to look at the trucks up close and personal. I got a question for you though. How does someone actually go about owning something like this?
Quinn, we've been doing this a long time at Palmer Trucks.
Yes, sir.
We put hundreds of people into our new custom sleepers. We've designed the system to be very, very simple. Call us on the phone, we'll do an app. We're looking for your trade-in. We want your trade-ins. And we've designed this to be real simple for the customer. You come down, pick out a truck, we'll find a way to get you in as far as financing.
Also, Max, don't forget the ARI offers financing for up to 84 months, no penalty for early payoff, and we'll work directly with the dealer also.
So from what I'm hearing is, Max, it's really, really simple for the average Joe to come in and sit down and talk to you and get his custom truck built then.
Absolutely, our owner-operators are our friends. Okay, we've spent a lot of years developing a system to get you into a truck like this easier than you think.
So all that phobia of I'll never own it, I'll never be able to go home, and oh, this thing weighs a ton, I'll never be able to haul anything, all of that is an absolute myth then.
Pretty darn simple to get into one of these trucks.
So guys, as you hear, I got two of the key people in the custom truck industry right here. This is, Max, give us, how does someone get in touch with you?
Well, first of all, I do want to also let you know that there's myself. We have Brandon Parkinson, Carl Summer, and Jason Lloyd. You can reach any of us at palmertrucks.com. Our telephone number here locally is 260-483-6367. If you'd like to reach me on my cell phone up till 11 at night, you can call me at 260-740-1355.
And Toby.
Hey guys, you can reach me at legacysleepers.com. Our phone number is 260-768-4704. And don't forget to like us on Facebook.
And on that note, thank you guys so very much for giving us the opportunity to come down and share with some of our fans, and possibly a lot of your next customers are going to be seeing this. So everybody, get on down here to Palmer and Kenworth down here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. It's a beautiful location. Guys, thank you so very much. It's been an honor.
I do want to say thank you to all our loyal customers out there driving these trucks.
Outstanding.
Top 1% in the country.
Outstanding. All right, everybody. Thank you, guys. See you later.
Thanks, man.